Every survival list tells you the same thing. AR-15, tactical vest, freeze-dried food. That's not survival, that's cosplay.
A short time ago, the United States military began major combat operations in Iran.
When World War III hits, the grid doesn't flicker. It dies. Supply chains don't slow down. They vanish. And your 50 pounds of rice won't matter if infection, dehydration, or radiation takes you out first. The real threats are invisible, and nobody's talking about them. Today, we're exposing the 10 items that actually keep you alive when the world stops functioning. Things the mainstream prep community has completely ignored. If you want authentic, research-backed survival knowledge, not Hollywood fantasy, subscribe and hit the bell. Now, let's get into it. Item 10. Multivitamins, zinc, and vitamin C. Everyone plans for food. Nobody plans for nutrition. In a collapse scenario, your diet will consist of high-carb, nutrient-poor rations. Within days, your immune system crashes. In a world without hospitals, a sinus infection or an infected cut isn't an inconvenience, it's a death sentence. Multivitamins are light, cheap, and compact. Zinc and vitamin C specifically provide acute immune support and wound healing capacity when fresh food is gone. Don't stockpile food without stockpiling the health to use it. Item 9. Caffeine and nicotine. This sounds controversial. It isn't about healthy living. It's about survival psychology. In a crisis, fatigue is your most dangerous enemy. If you're forced into active defense or rapid relocation, you cannot afford normal sleep cycles. Caffeine is a battle-tested cognitive enhancer. It sharpens focus and maintains decision-making under sleep deprivation. Beyond performance, caffeine and nicotine are powerful morale anchors in a bleak environment. If you're a user, withdrawal in the first 72 hours will compromise you physically and mentally. If you're not, a $2 bottle of caffeine pills is the single best barter item you can own, worth far more than a silver coin to someone who needs to stay awake on guard duty. Item 8. Anti-diarrheal medication, loperamide/Imodium. When the water grid collapses, pathogens explode in every remaining water source. Even filtered water, consumed by a stress-weakened body, will trigger severe GI response. In modern disaster zones, the leading killer isn't violence, it's waterborne disease causing fatal dehydration. Diarrhea in a post-collapse environment isn't discomfort. It's an electrolyte catastrophe that kills an adult in 72 hours and a child far faster. Loperamide slows digestion to preserve your fluids. In a high-mobility scenario, you cannot stop every 5 minutes. One bottle keeps your fluids in your body and keeps you moving when stopping means dying. Item 7. High-capacity power banks and rechargeable flashlights. Preppers stockpile gasoline. In a prolonged conflict, all fossil fuel will be seized by military forces. Your diesel generator becomes a liability, a beacon for raids. Modern survival depends on communication and reconnaissance. You need controlled, reliable, rechargeable light, not a fuel-dependent system. High-capacity power banks paired with multi-lumen, rechargeable LED flashlights give you a non-fuel lifeline for intelligence via shortwave radio and safe navigation. Solar charging is a long-term bonus, but stored power and light discipline are the priorities they won't tell you about. Item 6. Bolt cutters, crowbars, and manual hand saws. We fantasize about building off-grid cabins. The real task in a modern collapse is scavenging and repairing a destroyed urban environment. Chainsaws run out of gas. Multi-tools are too small. When you need to clear debris, access supplies, or cut metal sheeting for protection, you need leverage and silence. A 24-inch crowbar and heavy-duty bolt cutters are the keys to a broken city. They open what infrastructure has locked you out of. Manual hand saws are silent, require no power, and are essential when noise discipline is the difference between surviving and being found by a hostile patrol. Item 5. Military-grade wool blankets. Infrastructure collapse means no heat. Preppers love high-tech synthetic sleeping bags, but synthetics are fragile. They melt near open flame. Get them wet, and their insulation value collapses. Military-grade 100% wool is the miracle fabric the prep community ignores. Wool is naturally fire-resistant, critical when you're cooking over improvised fires. It retains 80% of its insulation value when soaking wet. It's durable enough to serve as a stretcher, a shelter component, or a silent poncho. When the fancy synthetic gear fails, the person with the wool blanket survives the night. Item 4. Non-hybrid heirloom seed vaults. Everyone stockpiles food, which means everyone runs out at the same time. The long game of World War III requires production, not just consumption. And most starter seed kits are useless because they contain hybrid seeds that don't breed true. You need heirloom, non-hybrid seeds. Specifically, focus on high-calorie, easy-grow crops, potatoes, corn, and winter squash. These produce massive caloric volume with minimal agricultural expertise. A proper heirloom seed vault lets you restart your food cycle year after year, the only real counter to a permanently broken global supply chain. Item 3. Bulk non-iodized salt. Experts tell you to buy gold and silver. You cannot eat gold. Salt is the foundation of civilization, and in a collapse, it becomes the most valuable commodity on Earth. Without refrigeration, salt is the only abundant method for preserving meat and vegetables long-term through curing and pickling. Beyond food, salt is essential for human biology, hydration regulation, nerve function, and wound cleaning. 50 pounds of salt guarantees present survival. A gold coin is a gamble on a future economy that may not exist. Salt will be the currency people actually trade lives for. Item 2. Physical reference books, especially where there is no doctor. When the internet dies, your prepping PDFs die with it. All your saved guides, gone. Digital devices are bricks when there's no power grid. You need analog, permanent, unhackable knowledge. The single most important book you don't own yet is Where There Is No Doctor, the gold standard field guide for medical care when zero professional infrastructure exists. Pair it with a regional edible plant guide and a basic construction manual. Gear can be lost, broken, or stolen. The knowledge in these books cannot be. Item 1. Potassium Iodide, Ki tablets. They'll tell you to buy a gas mask, but the most persistent lethal threat of a World War III scenario is invisible. Radioactive fallout. A dirty bomb or nuclear exchange releases radioactive iodine 131 into the atmosphere. Your body immediately concentrates it in your thyroid gland, the fastest path to aggressive cancer in an environment with zero medical care. Potassium iodide tablets work by saturating your thyroid with stable iodine first, physically blocking absorption of the radioactive variant. It is a single, compact, affordable tablet that can protect your future in the critical hours after a radiological event. A gas mask protects your lungs. Ki tablets protect your life. These aren't theories. This is the gear and knowledge that determines who makes it and who doesn't when systems collapse. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button. It tells us you want more content like this. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the next videos go even deeper into authentic, no-nonsense survival strategy. And drop a comment below. Which item surprised you most? What have you already stockpiled? We read every single one. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Most people won't prepare until it's too late. Don't let the people you care about be in that group. Stay ready.